Have you ever been encountered this scenario? Then this is the video for you. I will show you how to recover your password even if you have forgotten to reopen your Excel password. Let's get started. Right. This is one of my file where it is password protected. In this video, I will show you how to recover the forgotten password so that you will be able to edit the Excel sheet right from the beginning. Please do follow the steps until the end of the video so that it will help you to remove your forgotten password. Just be careful before you modify any of your Excel sheet to take a backup of the file so that you will have the original file for your safer purposes. Now I will try to modify the password in this particular file. What you see here as remove file pwd.xlsx, this is one of the files that I will modify or recover my forgotten password. To do that, the first step is you need to modify the extension of this particular file. So presently if you see it is .xlsx, so you need to modify that as .zip. So once you want to change the extension as .zip, it will prompt you whether you want to really change it. Click on yes. Once you click on yes, the folder or the file gets renamed to .zip file, and when you open that particular zip file, you will be able to see the contents of the Excel sheet inside as like this. Now in this zip folder, you need to go to Excel as the folder that you will see here. Once you go inside that, you will see another folder called as worksheets. You need to go inside the worksheets folder, and since I have only one sheet in my Excel sheet, so there is only one XML that you will see here. So you need to double click on this XML file, which is the sheet one. So this is how it opens up in the WordPad that you will see here. Try to search for the word called as protection. So once you search for the word protection, here you will see something called as the sheet protection where it is set as a password. So what I need to do here in this XML file is you need to select this particular statement or wherever you see the sheet protection. So you need to select until from this left angle bracket to the end of the right angle bracket. You need to select this particular line and then you need to delete that. So once you delete that, click on the save button and close this file. And since you have opened up in the zip file, it prompts you whether you want to update the changes that you have made. Click on yes and then close this particular zip folder. So once you close the zip folder, again go back to your zip folder, just click on it and try to rename this back to xlsx from .zip. So once I click on that, again it prompts me whether you want to really change the extension. Click on yes. So once you rename your file back to SLXX, now open the file and you will be able to see your contents as the way earlier it was. To verify whether it has removed your already set password, now you can go back and check in the menu, review menu, and this menu is unlocked now. So your old set password is no more existing. I hope this tip was very helpful for you. If you have encountered any of your forgotten password in your Excel sheets, this is one of the easiest way to recover your Excel file from your forgotten password. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.